Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can glitch into the Style Showdown stage on Dress to Impress. So you'll need to be in the Style Showdown game. Go to this area. Where is it? Okay, I'm just going to put on some stuff. I'm like doing a voiceover, so it's a little bit late, but I'm just going to put on some random stuff before I glitch into the stage just for fun. Then you're going to go to this area right here, and you're going to use the faint pose pack and then hold up. So faint and then hold up. Then you're going to jump up here as I'm doing. It's a little bit easier if you have the fast walk, but if you don't, that's fine. You're just going to go here. I kind of fall down here, but you're going to go here. And then you're just going to fall. This is the stage. Again, you're going to use the faint pose pack to glitch into the walls. And I just used belly flop, but you don't need to. Then you're just going to wait for the timer to go like off, and then you're just going to do a pose, and people will be confused, even though it's just a glitch in the game. Here, as you can see in the chat, they're so confused on what I was doing. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!